Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Paul Farmer. Today I'm going to be talking about a simple 5-minute practice that will help you get anything you want in your life, what you want in your life. Okay, what I'm talking about is gratitude. Okay, gratitude. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to list off a number of benefits that come from practicing gratitude that you may not be aware of. Uh, so for to start off, it helps you install patterns of positivity because by nature, we are just negative. We're going to find the negative in no matter what it is. So it installs patterns of positivity. It improves decision making, reframing to look at positives. Kind of the same thing helps you install patterns of positivity. Anchors you in abundance. So instead of lack, oh, I don't have this, I'm upset about this, blah, 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 right? What we typically do, we focus on the things that we don't have that we want, but we don't have uh, this practicing gratitude anchors you in abundance. It breaks the chains of limiting beliefs. Perhaps you're not where you want to be in life. Uh, Many are not. I know for me personally, I am not, and that's why I'm sharing this with you because I really believe that what I'm going to share with you today is very powerful. It can definitely help you break the chains of limiting beliefs off. Your skill level increases with your belief level, and gratitude helps you with belief, helps you believe. Gratitude also makes you more sociable. So you do more acts of kindness and generosity because, again, you're coming from a place of abundance and not lack. It improves sleep. The mind performs better, the immune system performs better. So these are some of the benefits of practicing gratitude. I mean, there's tons of stuff out there. I am not an expert. All these things are based on science, actually. It's not just pie in the sky stuff. I do not have that information, but I can direct you to where you can get that information. If you like, just leave it in the comments and let me know, or I can tell you exactly where to get it. So, what's the practice? All you're going to do is spend 5 minutes a day writing what you are grateful for or speaking what you're grateful for. And this is going to unlock the door to attracting better things into your life, attracting things you want into your life. It's going to change those patterns of negativity into positivity. So you can grab a journal, doesn't matter, a notepad, write it down every day. You can speak it out, you can record it, whatever you want to do. It's just getting into this habit of doing this, which is very, very beneficial. Now, for me, I like to use this app. It's called the Let's Go app. And this is a life transformation app because it walks you through an entire morning routine so you can do the things that are going to impact your life the most, that are going to move the bar forward so you can be the best version of yourself. So it starts off right here. I actually have this on my phone, but I'm going to show it to you on my computer. And if you want to get this app, you can go ahead and click on the link right below this video, and it's going to say Let's Go at the end of the link. So if you see a link that says Let's Go, click on that link, and you can go ahead and get this app. It's $10. It pays $8 residual commissions. If you decide to share it, you can actually use this app and share it with 7 other people. So up to 7 other people can use this app and have their own accounts and all that without paying extra as well. So as you can see, one of the very first things on this morning routine is gratitude. So if I click on that, I can go right here and I can type in, I am so happy and grateful for this amazing day, right? So you just spend 5 minutes. So set the timer, spend 5 minutes, write it down. And what it will do is it will save it. Say it will save it. Now I go 5 minutes and I will just write for 5 minutes. And actually what I've started doing, because I have it on my phone, is I like to just read it, like say it out loud. So I just hit the little mic on my phone and I read it aloud and it records it right here. I just hit mark complete. And it's as simple as that. Now I have a record, I have a gratitude journal. And like I said, doing these things produces all these benefits that I just went over. So I believe it's a great thing to do. It's something I've started doing. And I can tell you that instead of focusing on what's negative, what I don't want, and this happens every day, by the way, it's a constant journey, right? Um, it's very easy to start focusing on the negative. I mean, I talk to people every single day that are focusing on what's wrong, focusing on what's not there for them, focusing on lack constantly over and over again. And that's why I have developed the practice, and I do this just about every day. I spend 5 minutes with gratitude. So just saying what I'm thankful for. It could be the smallest little thing, you know. I'm thankful I have shoes to wear. I'm thankful I have food to eat, you know. I'm thankful for the sun, because without the sun, we wouldn't be here, right? I'm thankful for the bees. Because without the bees, we wouldn't be here. I mean, it could be the littlest, tiniest thing. It could be big things. I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful for my wife. I'm thankful for our dog, you know. Thankful for clean water to drink. And you start getting into this place of gratitude. So this isn't like, I'm not trying to do like a law of attraction thing. This is just gratitude. And these are all scientifically tested things. And there's actually more to this. So what I want to do is I want to let you know, one, okay, where you can get this app, because this app is fantastic. Let me see. Uh, as you can see here, like, let me just go back home. See if I can get back home. There we go. It also has a habit tracker. I'm not going to go through this whole thing. If you click the link, you're going to learn all about this app, all the ins and outs, what it can do. But as you can see at the top here, the next thing was stretch. So we started with gratitude, then we went to stretch. So if I did my stretching, I just marked complete. Meditate and pray. Did I do that? Yes, I did. Moving on. Visualization. Okay, let me go in there. So I have you can load whatever pictures you want in here. I actually have this on my office wall, and I just dropped it in here. So this is my vision board. I probably need to fix a few different things in here, but this is my vision board. And this is like a lesson in itself, but I'm not going to go too deep into this, just so you understand. It's layered, right? So there's layers to it. So below it, you have layers like forest, grass, ocean, whatever, right? On the bottom of it, below all this stuff. And if you look at the different things, the items, sometimes you see, so the whole idea here is to have this like 3D, so it's coming towards you, and you can't really tell here, but like on my wall, you could definitely, like, if you stare at it long enough, it should look like this stuff is coming to you, not away from you. So a mistake a lot of people make is they put like a car, for example, and they turn the car around so you see the rear of the car and it's going away from you. If you look at my example, everything's coming towards me. So I have a truck coming towards me, I have a car coming towards me, I have uh, the cruise ship coming towards me. So, and just to be completely honest with you, like, this isn't really like, these are things that would be great to have and all, but really what I'm after is freedom, financial freedom, freedom to choose what it is I want to do when I want to do it without having the financial stress that we typically have when it comes from bills, being in debt, that kind of thing. So I want to be able to go, like, say, I want to take a cruise whenever I want to take a cruise, and my wife and I go on a cruise, you know? So that's what we really want. But you put whatever it is you want on here. You know, we got a house, a nice kitchen, bathroom. My wife likes to play piano. I play as well a little bit, not that great, but I've been learning. So a baby grand, you know, she has her little sewing room in here. We did this kind of as a couple. So, you know, I got like a theater, movie theater, got a music room, so we play music. So um, these are our things, you know, you put what you want to put, right? So then, you know, you put like words too that are meaningful as well, success, wealth. Anyway, this wasn't really a lesson on this, but I felt like since I was here, I might as well show you. Moving to the next thing is affirmations. Okay, so it's kind of like gratitude. I mean, you can kind of say the same thing. Like, I'm so happy and grateful that I have top recruiters coming to my business. I am so happy and grateful I'm making daily deposits in my bank account. So it's like the same thing, right? So it's just another one. So as you can see, as we go through, everything in here is designed to make you a better person, both mentally and physically, right? All around. So it's really an awesome app. I use it all the time. I use it every day, actually. And, it's helping me record. It's helping me to record, like, what I'm doing, like when it comes to gratitude. And again, you don't have to do all of this stuff, but I just really like this app and I thought I would share it. Reading, because reading's important. Journal. I don't do a lot of this, but I will tell you when I hurt my back, um, I did, I did put, because I severely hurt my back in 2024. I couldn't sit, stand, or walk for months. Literally, I couldn't sit for probably 6 months. It's funny, like today, I had a session with my chiropractor, and we were talking about, I was just telling her like how grateful I am. Like I'm so grateful for them, what they were able to do. Because at the time I didn't know if I'd ever get up off my back. Like I literally couldn't move. I was in pain all the time. It was just a miserable experience. And I was just thinking, I'm like, look, I'm so grateful for everything you guys did. Like I didn't have to go get surgery or anything. But when I was going through that, I found a prayer and I dropped it in my journal. And you know, you can come into the journal. You see, if I can find it, and you can see. Look, see, I have some stuff in here. I don't really journal. Something you can do, but see, I have the healing prayer here. I put that in there. I put different things in there. Words of power. So words create pictures, create feelings, create results. If you don't like your results, go back to change your words uh, until you like your results, and that goes back to gratitude as well, right? So let me go back home. So we got journal, and then we got mantra. And then let me see if I can move this over. Um, MVPs, like your most valuable. I know there's a way to move it over, but I'm just going to go ahead and click. Oops. I'm just going to say I did it. Done. 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 Going to move right through this. Relationships, health, delegate. So the main things I use this for, like I said, the gratitude, the stretching, the exercise, those main things are what I use it for. And then the other thing that's cool about this app is you can track, like you can create good habits. So for example, I only have two on here. I have make a video, that's like a business habit, and then I have my exercise routine. So these are the two things I have. You can put as many as you want. I had more, and I found that it wasn't really working for me. So if I were to check this, what it would do is it come over here. See, I'm on a 17-day streak. So like if I look at this, you've completed this 76 times. You completed 2 of 5 tasks this week. And then it lays out what days I want to do it. Now I could choose what days I want to do it. But anyway, this is the app. This is what I'm using to record the gratitude and I use it for all kinds of things. Just an amazing app. If you want to transform your life, this app can definitely help you do that. The only other thing I wanted to share with you is when you go to the description, if you want to know where I learned about gratitude, part of a mastermind. So you're going to see a page that looks like this, and then it's going to come to a page that looks like this. And right here you can see you can as you come through, you're going to be offered a special offer where you're going to be able to get live weekly mindset coaching. This is actually NLP coaching, which deals with overcoming limiting beliefs, anxiety, fear, procrastination, all these things, overcoming these things very quickly, changing the patterns, anchors, all that stuff. That is keeping you stuck, preventing you from having the life you want, preventing you from having what you want in life. So, if you want to take advantage of that, you can definitely do that. Just click the button and they're going to give you that opportunity. It's only a one-time opportunity. You will not get it again. So if you click this button and you want to get this, it's 97 bucks one time. You're done, and you get as a bonus, you get this mindset coaching. Okay, this is actually part of a bigger system, but I'm not going to go into this right now. This particular system, though, I will tell you, I've made over $175,000 using this system. It's very, very powerful. They've been doing a lot of updates. There's a lot of exciting things happening with it. But really, the only thing I wanted to talk about here was this mindset coaching because I frankly come across people every single day. They are so down, right? They're so full of lack and scarcity. Uh, it's just sad. And I've been there and I know how easy it is to go down that path, right? And just start looking at everything in a negative light. And I do hope and trust that what I shared with you today can at least help you a little bit. Even if you don't get the app, even if you don't get the mindset coaching, I hope you at least, the very least, got some value from what I shared with you today about gratitude. Maybe you didn't know all this, but just start this practice. Start doing this 5 minutes of gratitude a day. Just say what it is you're thankful for. I remember Ray Higdon used to say, you know, go and write down 100 things you're grateful for, and that will also get you into that spirit of gratitude, right? And change from negative and lack to abundance. Because this is how you attract the things you want in your life. This is how you do it. So I do hope and trust you got value. Go to the link in the description. There's two. I'm putting two on this video, okay? One goes to this right here where you can get the mindset coaching. This is weekly coaching. I've been doing this for over a year and it's definitely helping me. Like I said, overcome limiting beliefs. I mean, I'll give one example, okay? One of the things that kept me stuck for a long time was like, well, I don't want to do X because I don't know how it's going to turn out, right? Like, I don't know what's going to happen. So, for example, making videos. Now, my videos don't get a ton of views, but I do have people reaching out to me. I do have people joining my business because I changed the thought of that, like what I was thinking about making videos, and I changed it to look, I'm just going to do it. I'm making this thing a game, I'm going to do an income producing activity no matter what. And sooner or later, something's going to come of it because even if I'm only getting 20, 25 views a video, those video it's real estate, right? It's building over and over and people are seeing me day after day, so I know it's like a snowball effect. It might take a while before it really starts catching on, but eventually it will catch on. Eventually it will start attracting the correct people, the people that are like me, right? That are action takers, that go make things happen, because that's what I want to attract, right? I want to attract those types of people, people that have abundant thinking and value the things that I'm talking about because these things are important in my life. These things uh, make a difference. Because I'm going to tell you something. Like I used to be a very, very negative person, and I'm still working on it. Still working on it. But I've really shifted away. Just doing this practice of gratitude daily, just doing that has helped me so much to change from, and I'm just very much more aware. So when I start feeling that way, I go back to gratitude. That's what I do. Okay. The other thing you can do, and I believe it was Napoleon Hill that said this. He's the author of Think and Grow Rich. If you don't know what that is, look that up. That's like a book that like everybody in the online space that wants to make money, entrepreneur knows what Think and Grow Rich is. Uh, but he said anytime he started getting frustrated or down or upset, he would go back and write down what he wanted as quick as he could. He would write down what he wanted. And that kind of goes with gratitude, right? So focus on what you want, focus on what you're grateful for, and great things will happen for you. Okay. So, with that, make it a great day. I appreciate you. Like this, subscribe to my channel if you're getting value and leave me a comment. Let me know. Let me know what you think. I'm here to do whatever I can to help you break through, help you increase your income. And I will never tell you anything that doesn't work, that isn't working for me. I will never share anything like that. So, anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.